make a song. 3, 2, 1. Hello kids, today we are doing mind-blowing science. Woo! And make sure to subscribe to my channel. These are the safety goggles to
We are wearing our glasses. For our first activity, it's called
a dancing powder. Wait, I'm gonna show you a real move.
So what do we need to do dancing powders?
Baking soda.
Baking soda,
And
citric acid, and
a blank cup.
the cup. A measuring spoon. We need 1 plate and half a cup of water. That's all we need.
Yep.
All right, so we are going to do our first step. I'm going to give this little measuring spoon to Lincoln. We're going to do 2 scoops of baking soda. 1. Okay, 2. We're going to switch to our citric acid, and we need 2 scoops of that. 1, 2. Now add our water and watch it dance.
Here we go, kids.
Okay, add that water. Woo! Look at it bubbling. Look at that.
It's actually dancing. Look at this person dancing. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road.
That was cool, huh?
Mm-hmm. It was what? Bang, bang.
On to activity number 2. This one's called color-changing liquids. Ready?
Okay.
So what we need for our next activity, now we have 2 little cups that are 3/4 of the way full for citric acid, our baking soda,
And red cabbage powder.
First thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna add 1 scoop of the red cabbage powder to each of the cups.
One more, kids.
It's kind of purplish looking, huh? Now we're gonna add just to 1 the baking soda, 1 scoop of baking soda. Whoa! Now, can you see that 1 is purple and 1 is blue?
We're gonna do one more to this one so it can change the color.
Go ahead. Add that to the purple. There's your stir. What color is it turning?
Red!
Whoa! Look at that! That was awesome, huh? Now let's see if we can get that purple color back.
It's purple!
Now it went back to purple!
Oh my gosh! My mind is now blue!
Was that last one so cool?
Really cool!
All right, now we're on to activity number 3, and it's called
Jiggly,
Colorful Jiggly Crystals.
Jiggly Video YouTube.
For this activity, our new ingredient is cross-linked polyacrylate copolymer. That is a mouthful. I hope I'm saying it right. Go ahead and put a scoop of the citric acid in the cup on the left.
Woo!
Good. Now add a medium scoop of the baking soda to our second cup. Good. Perfect. Now that we're done with that one, we are going to take a little baby scoop of the red cabbage powder and add 1 of those scoops to each cup.
One.
Either one. Ooh, look at that. All right, grab another one and put it in the other. Look at how it's just stuck in there. Oh, look at that. Do you think that the citric acid in one and the baking soda in the other causes it to be a different color?
Yeah.
So you stir that one and I'm gonna go ahead and stir this one. This one had our citric acid in it.
And this one has our baking soda.
Our baking soda, that's right. Remember how you poured a little bit of this one in there and a little bit of that one in there?
Yep.
We're gonna do the same thing. Good.
One more.
All right, so now we got our blue, our purple, and our red, right? Okay, so now we're gonna take our medium scoop and you're going to add 2 scoops of that to each cup. Start with that one. do the same thing to the purple.
More?
Yep, one more.
Now to the red.
Yep, go for it. One more scoop to that one. Nice. Like they're fizzing a little bit. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna wait 1 hour and see what happens to these, okay? And we'll show you guys, it'll be exciting. An hour later, actually 2 hours later, our crystals have now formed.
Into jelly crystals.
Are they jelly crystals?
Yeah.
Wow, look at those. That's so cool. So we waited more than an hour because we had soccer practice, right?
Yeah, and we did Pokemon Go.
And we did some Pokemon Go, yeah. So we were a little bit later, but this is what
Jello looks like, kids.
it does look like Jello. Here, let me feel. Oh, it does. It feels like Jello, but we don't eat it like Jello.
Yeah, we don't.
Was that cool?
Very cool.
Okay, so now we're on to activity number 4, and this one's called the underwater volcano.
Volcano!
So we're going to use a test tube for this one that we filled with 1/3 of warm water. We need, what is that?
Vegetable oil.
We have our vegetable oil, we have our citric acid,
Baking soda
Baking
and
soda.
red corn on the beast.
red corn on the beast, otherwise known as red cabbage powder. Ready to get started?
Are you kidding me? Yes!
All right. We're going to add 1 small scoop of the red cabbage powder. Put it in there, yeah? Would you like to stir that, sir?
Stir it.
Purple color in there. So now we're going to pour the vegetable oil all the way until it reaches right here. Whoa, that looks so sparkly. Oh, Lincoln, look at that.
That's cool.
We're going to add 1 exact scoop of the citric acid. As soon as we add this, it's going to start erupting, okay?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
Do you see that, Lincoln? Look.
Yeah, it's erupting.
And look, up through the test tube. Let's do another one. Do another thing of the citric acid.
Here we go. Oh my gosh! That's awesomeness. Look, this one too.
Well, look at that. Good job, dude. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining us for our mind-blowing science.
Lincoln World out. Don't forget to subscribe.